Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for uncovering the hottest products flying off the shelves. Today, we're diving into a countdown that's sure to catch your attention. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a DIY repair guru, or just someone looking to breathe new life into your device, you're in the right place. We're counting down the best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon. These are the top-rated, most popular products that users swear by to keep their tablets in top shape. From screens to digitizers, we've got it all covered. So without further ado, let's jump right into the countdown and see which products are taking the lead. Number 5 on our countdown of best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon is the 4 iPad 7/8/8 Gen Screen Replacement Digitizer Glass Repair Kit. Now, whether you're a seasoned tech-savvy pro or someone who's taking on their first repair project, this kit is designed to make your life easier, without the need to shell out for a whole new device. Let's talk about the fine details. You're holding a broken screen, and you know the dread that follows. But with this kit, you're not just replacing a screen, you're taking control. Compatible with the iPad. 7th and 8th generation models, covering a wide range of models. A 2197, a 2198, a 2200, a 2270, a 2428, a 2429, a 2430. This kit's versatility is top-notch, but as with any DIY project, there's a learning curve. Mistakes can happen, right? A slip here, a tug there, and suddenly, user error. Here's the kicker. Even if you fumble, the manufacturer has got your back. That's right, even if you damage those crucial cables or gold pins, just mention installation accident or user error, and the manufacturer will still offer help. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of the installation. The home button. Let's face it, that's where things can get tricky. The non-original button won't support TouchID, but don't worry, you'll still have full functionality. If TouchID is a must-have, simply transfer the original home button. And when you're reconnecting, remember? Gold side down. Trust me, it's the small details that count here. The package itself is a toolkit of precision. Everything you need to get the job done. You've got your Good Fixer glass touchscreen digitizer replacement, along with a set of repair tools to make the process as smooth as possible. In short, this kit isn't just about fixing a screen. It's about empowerment. It's about reclaiming that sleek, responsive touchscreen experience without the hassle or the expense of a brand new device. So, why wait? This product is not just a fix, it's a solution, a second chance for your tablet. Sliding into the number 4 spot on our countdown of best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon is the Screen Replacement Digitizer Touch Glass Front Panel for Amazon Kindle Fire HD 8, HD 8 Plus Tablet 10th Generation. This is the go-to solution for breathing new life into your Fire HD 8 or HD 8 Plus tablet. Whether it's for personal use, business, or that endless entertainment stream. Let's dive in. This kit is specifically designed for the 10th generation Fire HD 8 series, including models K72L3 and K72L4. If you're holding a 2020 release Fire HD 8, HD 8 Plus, or even the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition, this is your match. But take heed, this is strictly for the 8-inch models. Got a 7-inch or 10-inch device? You'll want to look elsewhere. What are you really getting here? A touchscreen digitizer, the crucial component that restores your tablet's responsive touch interface. It's just the front glass, though, not the LCD display. If you're dealing with a shattered screen but your display is intact, this kit has you covered. Worried about the installation? Fear not. There's a step-by-step tutorial video waiting for you on the Amazon product page. It walks you through the replacement process, demystifying the intricacies and turning you into a repair pro in no time. And let's not forget the peace of mind. Should you run into any quality issues, the manufacturer's after-sales support is just an email away, ready to ensure you're 100% satisfied with your purchase. In a nutshell, this screen replacement kit is your tablet's second chance, a chance to reclaim its seamless touch experience without the cost of a brand new device. For those looking to restore their Fire HD 8 to its former glory, this kit is a no-brainer. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon is the Screen Replacement Glass Touch Digitizer Repair Kit for iPad 9, 9th Gen 2021. If you're looking to breathe new life into your shattered iPad, this kit has everything you need to get the job done, and to do it right. Let's break it down. This kit is specifically crafted for the 2021 iPad 9th generation, covering models A2602, A2603, A2604, and A2605, all with a sleek 10.2-inch display. It's not just compatible, it's a precise match, ensuring that you get that flawless finish, restoring both form and function to your device. What makes this kit a standout is the convenience it offers. With the adhesive front-facing camera bracket and home button already pre-installed, the hardest parts of the job are already taken care of. That means less hassle for you, and a smoother, quicker installation process. Just what you need when time is of the essence. And speaking of ease, this isn't just a screen replacement. It's an all-in-one solution. You get everything you need right out of the box, from the tools to the step-by-step instructions that guide you through the entire process. Save yourself the trip to the repair shop and the hefty price tag that comes with it. Now let's touch on the home button. While it's pre-installed and fully functional, it doesn't support TouchID. If TouchID is a must-have for you, no worries. You can easily transfer the original home button from your iPad, retaining that fingerprint security feature. And finally, let's talk about peace of mind. Each kit is tested rigorously before it's shipped out, so you know it's going to work perfectly. Plus, with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can make your purchase with confidence. In short, this repair kit is more than just a fix. It's your iPad's ticket back to a smooth, responsive experience, without the cost of a new device. It's practical, it's reliable, and it's here to make sure your iPad stays as good as new. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon? Well, don't let your screen go blank. Be sure to tap that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. At number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon is the Screen Replacement Digitizer Touch Glass for iPad 7th and 8th generation. If your iPad screen has seen better days, this kit offers a comprehensive solution to get it back in perfect working order. Let's talk about compatibility first. This Digitizer Touch Glass is meticulously designed for the 2019 iPad 7th Gen and the 2020 iPad 8th Gen, fitting models A2197, A2198, A2200, A2270, A2428, A2429, and A2430. So before you dive into your repair, double-check that model number on the back of your device to ensure a perfect match. Now, here's where things get interesting. Mistakes happen. Maybe a cable gets snagged or a gold pin bends out of place during installation. But don't sweat it. The manufacturer has got you covered even if you make an error. Just mention installation accident or user error, and they'll still offer support. That's peace of mind you don't often find in a repair kit. Installation comes with a few crucial tips. Remember, the pre-installed home button in this kit won't support TouchID, but it will keep all other functions intact. If you absolutely need TouchID, simply transfer the original home button from your device. And when you're connecting the button, make sure that gold side is facing down. And be gentle. Damaging the clip could complicate things. The package itself is a complete toolkit. You get the Good Fixer Digitizer touchscreen glass replacement for your iPad, plus a set of repair tools to make the process as smooth as possible. In essence, this kit isn't just about replacing a screen, it's about restoring your device's functionality with minimal hassle. It's designed for those who are hands-on, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or tackling your first repair. This isn't just a product, it's a second chance for your iPad, and it's a solution that puts you in control. And here we are, at the top of the list, the #1 best-selling tablet replacement part on Amazon, the Screen Replacement Digitizer Touch Glass Kit for iPad 9, 9th generation. If your 2021 iPad 9th Gen has taken a hit, this kit is your go-to solution for getting it back in perfect shape. Let's start with the basics. This kit is tailored specifically for the iPad 9th Gen, covering models A2602, A2603, A2604, and a 2605. It's precision engineered to match the 10.2-inch screen. So before you proceed, take a moment to check the model number on the back of your device. A perfect fit is key. Now let's talk installation. Mistakes can happen. A cable might get torn or a gold pin bent. It's all part of the DIY experience. But here's the beauty. Even if you slip up, the manufacturer has your back. Simply mention installation accident or user error, and they'll still offer support. It's a level of assurance that's hard to beat. For those worried about the complexity, you're not left to figure it out alone. The kit includes not just one, but 2 installation videos. They're easy to find. Just slide the image to the right, and you're guided through each step from start to finish. It's like having an expert right there with you. Let's get into the finer details. The kit comes with a pre-installed home button, but keep in mind it doesn't support TouchID. If that's a feature you can't do without, simply transfer your original home button. And when connecting it, remember, gold side down. Avoid damaging the clip on the button socket because small details can make all the difference. This package is truly all-inclusive. You get the Good Fixer Glass touchscreen digitizer replacement, a full set of repair tools, and even a tempered film to protect your fresh new screen. It's not just a fix, it's a full restoration. In essence, this isn't just the #1 product for a reason. It's a comprehensive solution that empowers you to take control, save money, and keep your iPad in top shape. It's a toolkit for the determined, and a lifesaver for your device. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling tablet replacement parts on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And for easy access to the products we covered today, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.